Morning, afternoon, evening. This is not what I was looking at. This is. Look at this.
That's too good.
It's smaller than I thought.
That's what I said. What are you guys gonna put in?
I don't know. We'll have to see. It's cute though. How cute is that?
That is good. It looks like a pill.
And it like that makes it waterproof. And then that comes off.
Let's have a look then on each days.
And then you just go like, I think they, yeah.
For all your day's pills in one, so you know if you've took one or not.
Yeah, so that's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Oh no, Saturday and then Sunday's at the top. That is so cute. I just don't know if they'll all fit.
They should do in there.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. That's so darn
So
cute,
you
isn't
might
it?
as well put them in all for tomorrow.
Look, and then boom. Boom. It even comes with like a little... I like that a lot.
Have a look at it.
Hang on. Hang on.
Has anyone got a tissue or anything by them I can use to work this over?
Oh, sorry, John.
No.
It's cute, right? I'm going to fill it all up.
No, that is really nice.
Yeah, I know, I like it. I just showed us something of American in Weatherspoons. You don't realise that Americans don't have Weatherspoons, so that is a British thing.
She's just walked out and hasn't told me that it's not the door.
She gets so excited, she buys 2 breakfasts, coffee.
I think she went for someone.
Oh, and then she's like, make sure you put the beans on the toast, it's so nice. Do Americans not have beans on toast? Is that just a British thing? What a world, eh? What a world. I'm going to fill this up though. I have the time to. Right, Mom's got me these. Hannah's got me these. Vegan cakes. Mum's also got a dinner to die for. Look, what is it? I don't get what you got. She's opened the bugles for starts. Baps and chicken.
No. Pork and stuffing. I've been looking forward to this since when it.
Nice. Charles knows his bugles.
I've only just been having 2 hours since having soup.
She went from dangerously.
That's such a point. That's such a point. Anna says she leaves the door open and Mum says she's going to walk through it. It's quick for you. Charles wants my food. But this is what we've got. We've got cake. Nice cake as well. Never had it before. I've got cereal. Crackers and cheese, which I'm very looking forward to. And Mum's eating cake.
Oh no!
Have you a message for us in our earthly realm?
Yeah. Put the kettle on, would you?
Anyway,
Dare you not, spirits?
here's my things. Fun. A whole nice selection of cheese and crackers, cereal, cake, tea. Happy! Good day, good day, good day. Course number 2. We even have dessert. Cheese and cracker. I've never enjoyed cheese and crackers so much. Ever. Until these beauties came into my life.
Have you had them all now?
I've tried them all. Just haven't ate them all. I'm not sure. It's one of these two then. Either the epic smoked or the garlic and chilli. Happily have them again. So nice. Bon appetit. Best thing I've ever had in my life. Love it. Best cheese ever. Ever.
That's unlike me. I'd do it all again if I had the chance. It happened, right? Do you want to know what happened?
I won't.
You have a final confirmation document.
All done.
Okay, places
Here we
everyone.
go.
Picture. Okay.
Here we
Let's make some
go.
magic. Give us a bell.
I have no idea what's going on here.
This is all paid.
Hold your nose. Let's go.
Oh, all sorted. Troy, want to go to the caravan?
Oh yeah, you're coming again on holiday with us. Good God, look at you, 2 holidays in a year.
Shall I go to the beach? Aye, the beach. By the sea. Do you want to? Do you want to? You do want to? Okay, come with Jade.
Can I have some fishy again?
And go in the arcades.
I was getting excited.
What about that? By the beach. Arcades.
Oh, spoiling me, son.
Fishy. It's purry.
Alright, so. Go on the beach. Then when we get there.
No, she was doing it before I did it.
Yeah. It's past where it was before. We're going back to Southport. We'll stop halfway there, then we'll stop at Southport.
Do you want to go then, Charles? You want to come with us? Okay.
And also,
Right, I'm having a candy cane.
Past 3 months.
Wow, no one reads that much.
I do.
Because I've just uploaded. I've reviewed 3 videos. Uploading 2 right now. Hopefully they upload in the right order.
Couldn't watch all these
That'll
movies,
anger me.
read all those books, sweetie.
We have to get the books that were delivered.
A lot. But I've also got another one to upload. So productive. Sorting out my blog. Bounce is on. I also have cake, but I want this first. Love candy canes. Hannah's first cinnamon bun of the year.
He tossed them down the garbage chute.
Well, he did.
she doesn't share.
All I did was jab him with a pen. You killed him.
Just because I've had
He
two.
told me he was dead.
Just
You
like it.
checked for his
I really
pulse.
don't
We could have
want
saved
one
his
of them.
life.
Yeah, he just confessed twice to murder.
Idiot.
I think I might go and have a shower and have mine.
And he liked
Me?
It's good to know. She lied about being pregnant.
They'll be milking it, won't they, an egg?
This bitch is a mother.
I just don't understand how 2 people.
Oh,
like
come
you
on,
and
try
somebody
yours.
I think I'm gonna have a shower first because I need a shower.
There's a whippy. Do you know the slabs of dark chocolate? Nice strawberry whippy thing. No, I don't. I'm eating lots of those dark chocolate in the fridge. No, I don't like it. So I just change the tune when I give up.
I'm looking at Revolution.
Chocolate biscuits left in the kitchen.
I can't. I've got to get out to Christmas.
Well, you could have a Lotus biscuit.
Oh God, I've got to get out to Christmas.
There we go, look. First bite of the new year. Nice. I've done loads today. Barely vlogged, but done loads. I'm going to go get changed, I think, for bed. I need to wash my hair too. I know it doesn't look like it needs washing, but it will. But I'm thinking I might not do that tonight because I don't fancy staying in the shower ages, you know what I mean? I might just get in, have a shower, get out and come and have cake. Are you? But I don't fancy standing there washing my hair, so I might just do it
Well,
tomorrow.
just having that, yeah.
Hi.
The whole of it tomorrow.
Because Hannah, I've had these pyjamas on since like I slept in them yesterday
I went
night.
to see Sweets.
Not just last night. That calls for a shower.
Cuz.
Yeah, chunk. Ooh, she pretty. She pretty. She pretty.
When we apologized to each other, that everything was fine.
Go on then.
Because we were being polite.
Yes. We were polite, but you still knew that everything wasn't fine.
Was he smoking? It just blew up. I don't know.
Nice. They look so nice. You can't even say that something's right with them.
Oh. Give me. Come here. Pinch a little
Can
bit.
I have a little bit?
You and me. Just pinch that little bit. No, I'm being serious.
Well, go away. Go on,
Now,
try it.
I'm just saying.
That looks like the best thing ever.
I'm only doing this. It's called trying.
No,
Go on, try it.
Nicking.
Try it.
You've eaten yours.
No, because I want to know if these taste different from anywhere else because they look differently made.
No, these are buns.
Come on, try it then. Stop
These are
talking.
buns, not swirls. You're used to having swirls. I like bun.
No, I'm not looking. I'm driving.
One's pastry, one's dough.
You were never able to do this look before the baby. What did the baby do to you?
Brennan. Oh,
It's all right.
okay.
You happy with yourself then?
Can I eat it now?
Yeah, go on. Oh.
I'll be back in a minute. I could feel her eyes as I walked out. Give me 2 minutes. I'll be literally 10 minutes, baby, and then I'm going to eat cake.
And I'll say something to you.
What did I say? It's going to be quick.
What's that last little bit about?
Just aiming a big shrinky brain at her.
That's a smile. That's a smile. Oh, it's beautiful. Come on then.
I'll have to examine the
Here we go. Right, I'm going to try it. I'm going to try one, guys. So, chocolate cupcakes topped with chocolate frosting and a sugar star decoration. Cute.
You know what? Now that you know what they look like, check the security teams. Okay. Hello? Yeah. He usually hangs up without saying goodbye. It's
Ooh,
because we're close.
are they like brownie? 'Cause it smells like a brownie. Smells brownie-esque. Mom. Yeah, it smells
You
brownie-esque.
said the parking not the best thing. The demolition company is next to a hydroplane production.
Here we go.
Makes one sausage you can't account for.
We need a list of everyone who had access to the warehouse.
Right. I'm really nervous.
I was able to track Angela's movements through the hotel.
Oh, I can't get it
I
out.
used a frame analysis algorithm to search for men with a similar body type. I got him in 6 different locations.
It could be either one of them.
Yeah, well, that's what I thought, but look. Here he is at the elevator, and here he is at reception. Now, look at the time codes.
8:23. 2 places at the same time.
One is Carlson, and the other is Langella.
Oh, they're like really
Both of
soft.
them are there, but
Like
must have
it's
arrived
literally
at
like.
times and not seen each other.
So Carlson lied. This is textbook. Look, they're even dressed alike. There must have been something that brought them both together.
Oh my God, Mom.
A shared interest. Wait,
Look
so
at that.
the name tag? Back that up a little.
It's like a proper cake, Jade.
It's like an actual proper cake.
Self-actualization.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I know that group.
Right, are we ready? I'm just gonna give it a good old bite, Mum.
Charge a bunch of money for it.
Are we ready, H? Hannah.
So they both have hard-nosed
I've decided
wives,
what
very
I'm
domineering,
That's
promises,
booking off in
personal
May as
freedom.
well.
Okay.
Good on Langella.
Oh, I'm nervous. Why am I so
Look, she's wearing the
nervous?
same kind of name tag.
I'm like nervous to bite a cake. That's silly, isn't it?
I'm sure you will.
Mm-hmm.
What?
Nothing.
You know, it's possible to work with a
Right.
woman without
Okay. 1,
becoming
2,
romantically involved. I'm
3.
with Daisy. I wouldn't do anything to hurt her.
I noticed you say I'm with Daisy and not I love Daisy.
Oh, come on. Can you please not use linguistic indicators that I taught you against me?
Oh, it's her, isn't it? You should get it. Look, you're all
Oh my
red
God.
and blotchy and horny.
Hannah. Yes, Bacon.
You said you had to talk to her.
Hello, Agent Sparling.
Oh my God.
Carlson was at the hotel. He lied. Great. You bring him in, and I'll meet you there.
Okay.
Do you want me to pick up some?
Hannah, that's so nice.
I know a place that makes a great latte
Latte.
to keep us alert. during
Let's
the
eat the
Hey,
The star.
You know, these places here, you know, we've gone this time in
Please don't look at me like
March.
I'm very blotchy. I'm very.
You know, it's only £79, Jade. Jade, for 3 to 4 nights.
Mmm.
Yeah.
You said you wanted
It's like
to
brownie.
Carlson. You lied.
Hey, just like a brownie cake.
Is it a lie, or is there some other term?
And
Pseudologia fantastic is the technical term in this case, but whatever we call it, it's a federal crime to deceive the FBI in the course of a criminal
I
investigation.
can't even explain that. That is actually divine.
I lied.
I'm going to enjoy this.
A
lot.
We should drop it.
Sort of like I missed my own.
We're so well acquainted with Bagels. Bugles.
Well acquainted.
Yeah, well, I've got friends.
Investigated, it is
Come on, Mum.
Some would say that it's horrible to watch a lion taking down a
Oh,
zebra.
nice.
And eating it. These animals are spared that fate.
Here we go. Oh,
Maybe we were dead to him, and that's why he could leave.
I'm having a bagel. They've run out of date today, so technically I need to eat the other one as well because it's early morning, so they won't know. But yeah, bagels and a plum. Bagel and a plum. Bones is on. It's sad. It's a 9/11 episode. Second one. Come on, up!
When his rib was fractured by the
No,
tree, it wasn't a clean break.
Sleep yet? Mummy's poorly. She doesn't feel very well, so Jade and Hannah are staying up with her. So if we keep coming in, I'm very sorry. Oh, I'm okay. Is it okay? Yeah. Just trying to get stuff to make Mummy feel better. I love you. I haven't been asleep yet. Mum wasn't there.